Hey everybody, this is Lance from Theta Traders. Just wanted to go over the trades for 0DTE last week from August 21st to 25th. So we did do 4 for 4. I'm going to go over the Friday explanation later. But we essentially traded from Monday to Thursday, and those were 4 wins. On Monday, pretty small returns of $6, but we let it expire worthless, and you got a 0.956% gain for the day. On Tuesday, we went Iron Condor for SPX, 0.06 Delta, 75 premium. Bought to close it at 55, literally in an hour. So it was a quick 1% trade. On Wednesday, went with another Iron Condor, lower Delta there, 0.05 Delta to make $10 on SPY. And bought to close it at $2. It dropped quite a bit at 5. Decided to wait another hour or two to get a little bit more in premium there for a 1.35% return. And then Thursday, we did another Iron Condor for SPX. Nice trade here. Made $75 when we entered the trade. Bought to close it at $45 for a 3% return. Now, Friday, Jerome Powell was speaking, and he was actually talking at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. So that was right after market opened, pretty much 30 minutes after, and then 10 minutes after, the market just dropped like a rock. I decided to not make that trade on a Friday. Did do a recommendation, however, and it was at a 3x loss, but I did mention that I wasn't going to trade on Jerome Powell's news because it's always hard to trade. Whenever he talks, the market could be pretty dramatic and move very drastically. So we want to take the less volatile trades. Jerome Powell is very powerful. That's all I'll say about that. So again, if you're interested in getting these alerts every day, feel free to sign up for thetatraders.com, and let's have it going.